morning, guys. Today we are in Playa Rincon, located just close to the river called the Cano Frio, and this is the last beach we are visiting that's located in the ocean side of the Atlantic. To get here we drive 30 minutes from Las Galeras, and in the entrance to the beach you pay 200 pesos to enter and park your car, and the road here is paved, so the access is very easy. It is mid-April now, and most of the Sargasso is located at the outside of the Dominican Republic, mostly in the side of the ocean, but it's still pretty much fine. You can still swim. As you can see, the Sargasso on the beach, but inside the water is fairly clean. And now let's check out inside the water if there are any fish or corals. Started to walk against the current in the Cano Frio river, and someone told us that there is actually a trail around, and you can go in one direction and then go inside the water and go back with the current to the ocean. So anyway, there is another option. You can take the boat ride 1 kilometer along the river in both directions, and it costs about 1,500 peso, which is $20, something around that. Whereas I prefer to swim in the water when it's crystal clear. It's so fun. It's beautiful here. Wow. Take a look. Guys, we conclude our stay here in Playa Rincon that the beach looks good, but the Sargasso situation with the seaweed is terrible here. You pay in the entrance 200 pesos for parking, but no one cleaning the beach, and you got some bad smell. Also, there is no any sea life like fish or corals in the water, and so in comparison to other beaches we've been so far, it doesn't worth to come here. But the only thing actually worse here was the Cano Frio river, which was crystal clear and very good water, a little bit chilly, but just right for a swim. So I hope you enjoyed. Our next stop gonna be Samana city.